Hello, this is Alexander Cross, Criminal Defense here in the San Francisco Bay Area. If you'd like to learn more about criminal defense, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Law Offices of Cross & Associates, and feel free to ask questions in the comments section below so that we may respond in the future with more videos for you. So we received an interesting inquiry here on our YouTube channel. Let's see what it says right here. My son is in prison on a charge of drugs, domestic assault, and strangulation of his wife. How can I talk to him if I don't have legal documents in this country? Well, first of all, if your son is in prison, for the drugs, if it's personal possession, he's not going to go to prison for that. Now, for domestic violence, yeah, if it's a felony domestic violence, you could get up to 4 years state prison under Penal Code Section 273.5 here in the state of California. But the strangulation of his wife, well, did he kill her? I mean, if not, it's still going to be an attempted murder. That's going to be a violation of Penal Code Section 187/664, which carries 25 to life, which would explain why he's in prison. We need to distinguish between jail and prison. Prison is where you're generally sent after you are convicted of a felony and you get a sentence of more than a year. Generally speaking, if you get a sentence of less than a year, you don't go to prison, but you go to county jail. Generally speaking, you get that for lower level felonies, or sometimes you can get that for misdemeanors. Let's see here. Now, it says right here that you want to visit him. Well, if you go to a county jail, you can visit your son even if you don't have documents, as long as you get some kind of a sort of like an ID from a consulate. Usually they'll accept that. However, when it comes to a prison, if you don't have a California ID or a valid driver's license, generally speaking, it's probably not a good idea to go visit somebody because they could just report you to ICE. Definitely, if you go to a federal prison, for sure, you don't want to go because they'll report you to ICE. I generally speaking wouldn't recommend that you go visit your son in prison. Keep in mind that that's going to be recorded. That's going to be a recorded conversation anyway. Then you better send an attorney if you're going to go to a prison, or or for a family member to go that is legal in this country. That would be fine. But yeah, I don't think it's a good idea. If you want to talk to your son, it's best for him to call you, but keep in mind that that phone call will be recorded, or you could do correspondence, but keep in mind that that will also probably be looked into. So you don't want to talk about the case unless you're going to put your son into a potentially worse spot. Regardless, if you'd like to learn more about criminal defense here in the San Francisco Bay Area, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Law Offices of Cross & Associates, and feel free to ask questions in the comment section below so that we may respond in the future with more videos for you. But if you've been accused of a crime here in the San Francisco Bay Area and need representation, give us a call for a free consultation at 1-800-862-7677. Once again, 1-800-862-7677. On our next video, we're going to be discussing the fact that you should never interfere with the work of the police. Criminal lawyer, criminal lawyers, DUI lawyer, DUI lawyers. Criminal attorney, criminal attorneys, DUI attorney, DUI attorney.